Welcome to the operation video series of the Cyasin Duco Robot Intelligent Welding System. This demonstration will show you how to perform the teaching process for a full circular weld. Click New in the lower right corner to create a new program. Begin by recording a starting safety point, then create an arc starting point. On the left side menu, select the Circle command. A full circular weld requires only 3 points to define the circle. Record the first point, then move the torch to record the second point. The circular welding path will now be visible in the left side programming menu. On the right side posture control mode, you need to choose between constrained by circle center or consistent with start point. If the welding position is 1 gram flat rotation and the torch posture does not change, select Consistent with start point. In this example, since the welding position is 2F horizontal fillet and the torch orientation changes, select Constrained by Circle Center. Move the torch to the arc and safety point and create a linear point. Similar to linear weld teaching, use the right side interface to add an arc start command at the arc start point and an arc end command at the arc end point. Note that the second point of the circular path is also the arc end point. Apply the arc end command here. The welding path will now turn blue, indicating the active weld segment. After creating the program, proceed to set the welding parameters. Click on Weld Seam 1, then select Process Settings, User-Defined Process. Under the Single Layer Single Pass Bead configuration, click Process Edit. First, configure the arc starting parameters. Select Pulse Mode and Synergic Adjustment. Set the arc starting current to 200A. Arc starting voltage to 0 volt. And arc starting time to 500 ms. Next, set the main welding parameters. Again, select Pulse Mode and Synergic Adjustment. Set the welding current to 210A. Welding voltage to 3 volts. And travel speed to 40 centimeters per minute. Then, enable oscillation welding. Select sine wave oscillation. Keep the reference plane as the default XOI plane. Set oscillation frequency to 2 Hz and amplitude to 1.5 mm. Leave all other parameters at no dwell time on either side. Finally, set the arc closing parameters. Also using pulse mode and synergic adjustment. Set arc closing current to 200A, arc closing voltage to 0V, and arc closing time to 1000 ms. Click Save. The welding parameters for the full circular weld are now fully configured. You may now proceed to perform the actual welding operation.